stories. I'll bet you can make up a story, too.
How are you? Today we are gonna play!
The ocean!
The ocean! You're right! Yeah, I love the ocean! Thanks for playing with me!
Yo! Hi!
Wait, your turn! You gotta wait your turn! Wait, your turn! You gotta wait your turn!
Let's take turns! Okay. Let's take turns! Okay.
Yay! Wow, that was so much fun! Thanks for playing with us today.
Bye.
See you next time. Here we go. Yo, Gabba Gabba!
Somewhere deep in bear country lives a bear and